Hello everyone, welcome back to Krish'sExcel Anywhere. In previous video, we had learned about VLOOKUP step by step with good examples. In this session, we are going to learn how to use concatenate with three types. Let's get started with today's session. First, there is the question, what is concatenate? It helps to combine the values of two different cells or two different values. That we'll see one by one now. I'll show you this example. First, you have to type equal, always the best way to start formula, and type concatenate. Get the function concatenate in current version. In previous session, we had a full name concatenate like this. So now I'll double click on this. Now, if you see the syntax, it says first text 1. I want merge. I want to get all three values in one cell. I'll select Rohit Sharma, and then we have to give comma for the argument comma. You can select the value text 2, again comma, and the third value. I'll close parenthesis. It will be merged. If you see here, Rohit Sharma 264 and 173 balls. So all this merged in one cell. It looks so clumsy. So in this case, right now we have used comma, and let's add space in between runs and balls. So how to add space? It should be enclosed with double quotation mark. First I'll give double quote, then I'll give space, again double quote, again comma, which means we are assigning the space inside the quotation marks. Again follow the same. I need after is value of C3. Double quote, space, double quote, and comma. This is one way. Let me enter now. Now you can see after Rohit Sharma we have a space and value, again space and value. This is one option. The another option can be done by using ampersand operator. And operator equal concatenate. Can double click on this and select guptil. Here instead of giving comma, I'll give ampersand operator, and I'll select value, this value, again ampersand and balls. Now close parenthesis. Let's see the output. The difference is here. In the first one, just you have considered a comma, and here considered ampersand operator. Similarly, you can give your blank. So here instead of giving blank, I will assign hyphen. How to assign hyphen? Instead of space, you just need to update the hyphen. We should give again ampersand to call to consider another cell values. If I remove this ampersand, it will not consider, it will consider as text. Even after the value C4, we need one hyphen. I'll do the same, hyphen, double quote, ampersand. Before or after should have ampersand. Next, enter. But there is no space, we just have hyphen. Can add space after hyphen here too, and enter. Hardcode the value also. Let me show you that as well. Concatenate. I will add value. Whatever the text you are assigning, it should be within double quote. Then only it's considered as text. Here I will type Gail, and again double quote, comma. We need space. Double quote, space, double quote, comma. Now here we have to assign the value we need as Sharma. Close double quote and close parenthesis. Enter. So by hard coding the value also, you can give the concatenate formula. I hope this video is helpful. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.